Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken burgers using freshly ground chicken. So make sure you stick around. For this recipe, you're going to need dark meat. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken leg meat that has already been cleaned. Now, if you want to use chicken thighs, that's fine. You can also add in some white meat as well. You'll need some oil, some seasonings, and a little rosemary will give it some really good flavor. So first you need to use your kitchen or poultry shears to trim away small amounts of fat from the chicken. And since we will be grinding the meat ourselves, we are in full control of how much fat we desire in our meat. So cut accordingly, okay? Next, you're gonna cut small manageable pieces so that the chicken will fit into your grinder. Now, if you come across any tendons, throw it away, like just toss it in the trash. Now, it will grind with the meat, but it will be tougher to chew once it's cooked. So get rid of it. Like, you don't need the tendons. Bye, you don't need them. Toss them in the trash. So now I'm going to recommend that you partially freeze your chicken. That way, once you grind it, it's not as messy. This only took about 2 minutes to grind, and grinding is so much better than buying freshly ground meat because you'll save a lot of money, number one, and the meat will come out fresher and you know exactly what is in your meat, okay? And that is so important. So I'm adding fresh rosemary to the meat here, and that is just great for poultry. I recommend that you use it, but if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. And you can season your ground chicken however you like. Work all of those seasonings in there. You can use your hands, you can use a utensil to do it. Just get it done. Now you're gonna take a small amount of ground chicken and form it into a ball. This might get a little messy, but I know I do not have subscribers who are scared of chicken. Okay, so if it gets a little messy, it's okay. But here's a quick tip. You can reserve a bowl of water, set it to the side, and you can use that to just dip your hand into the water, and that will help prevent the meat from sticking to your hand and all of that stuff. So now you're gonna add some oil to your skillet on medium-high heat. And once the skillet is hot, that's when you wanna place those chicken balls on top. Smash it down, and you want to allow this to cook on each side for about 5 minutes. And you only want to flip it how many times? 1 time. Do not flip it multiple times because you're going to dry that meat out. Like, it's going to be very dry. Don't do multiple flips. Also, after you flip it that 1 time, don't smash it, because if you smash it, the juice is going to come out. And what's in the juice? Flavor. So you don't want to lose that flavor. You want that flavor to come out into your mouth, like, and go down into your belly. Like, you don't want to lose the flavor, so don't smash it. So now that you have removed your chicken patties, you can let them rest for a little while, and then you can serve it up on a hamburger bun, a slice of bread, or however you like to do it. But I hope that you will try this recipe and then leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to catch you in my next video.